Also guys, today I am going to be doing a FIFA 17 pack opening, and I'm literally hoping you like it. So let's get into it. So you may see my money up there. I had a ton of cards, and yeah, we are going to try just get a ton of decent players. So let's go. Start off with the team of the season, and Jensen. I'm sorry, mate, but you're not welcome in the club. You're just not welcome in the club. Next one, it's a team of the season. It's one we've already got. It's Hutchinson. That's just no. So we are going to open a couple more packs, and we get Schneider. Yeah. Oh, and we get a 93 Lionel Messi in that pack as well. And I'm hoping in the next couple of packs we will get that 99 rated Messi even, because I haven't got him yet. It's a striker. We get Ruidiaz. Not really that good, but yeah, he's a player. I'm going to go down to some special packs now, because I've been opening a ton of 200k packs. Oh, FUT Champions. It's just Salah, I'm sorry, but Dybala and Handanovic, don't mind if I do. So if we get a decent card, it could be phenomenal. And we get an 87. Not too happy about that one. But yeah. I will end this video shortly. I'm sorry, but I just have to. And I'm going to upload